Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Grey Wolf cloth gloves in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the region of Pei Lun, slightly above the Silver Wolf Mountains. If you don't have this part of the map unlocked yet, walk north starting from the letter R from the word silver. Once you're here, you'll find this back alley vendor. To get the equipment, we need to reach 100 trust with this vendor. We have a video covering on how to max vendor trust in this channel, so make sure to check it out. Once we reach max trust with this vendor, he will sell the Cloth Armors of the World Volume 4. Buying then reading this will unlock the crafting knowledge for the gloves. All we need to do is head to the smithy and craft the gloves. These gloves comes with 12 attack, 3 defense, 3 attack speed, and it's on its third level of refinement. But what's special about this glove is when it's maxed out, the attack speed will go up to level 4, which is the highest we can equip for Damien. So, if you're looking for the best gear suited for Damien, you should get this one since it's the best slot in gear for her. And that's how to get the Grey Wolf cloth gloves in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.